Hey everyone, it's so good to see you. Welcome back. My name is Jesus, and as always, you can call me Hal. And again, welcome back to Hal's Corner. This is the place where we talk about the things that I love. Think about it: movies, video games, anime, all of those things. But for this particular video, as you saw in the title, we're going to be building a Lego set. Not just any set. Take a look at this set. Can you see it? Look at that. We're building the cute animal birthday party set. It's 64 pieces, and this is in a poly bag. This is awesome. Very excited to build this one. Now I can already hear you asking, why are we building this set? That is a great question because, wait for it, hold please. And make sure that I stay in frame here for this one. It is my birthday month. Yeah, that's right. I had my birthday this month. And I'm also going to let you in on a little secret. It's not just mine. My producer, Suki, our dog, she also is born in this month. So we're kind of sharing in this celebration. Figured that we could build this set. My wife was so kind to bless me with it. So we're going to build this one together and have a great time. So if you're new here, go ahead, like, subscribe, make sure that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we do here. With that out of the way, let's build this together. So as you can see, we've got our set, our whole poly bag right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, assemble all the pieces here on my desk mat, and then we'll put it together. As I said earlier, we're gonna have a great time. So I'll pause. When I open this up again, you'll see all of the pieces laid out here. I did want to mention, when I looked at this, I was thinking, you know what? I don't want to be just like an animal and just shred this poly bag, because they've made it out of paper now, which I think is fantastic. You know, so much better for the environment and all that. But they really did think of everything. I don't know if it's going to show up properly. Oh yeah, it will. So you can see these, what look like dots right along the top line there. It's actually perforated so that we'll be able to tear this properly and get it, you know, just in a nice fashion, so we're not just obliterating this bag as we do it. So anyways, just wanted to share that. Okay, have a look. See, we've got all the pieces already set out here on the desk mat. We have our instruction manual right here. We've got double-sided. Cannot wait to see what this all looks like when we have it built. But anyways, let's get right into it. So we're going to be starting with this, with this blue piece. I'll show you the pieces that we're going to connect to the top of it here in just a moment, so you can see where to put yours. Just like that. Next step, put that one on. All right, I want to make sure you see this. You can see how we put two pieces on top of it right there. Perfect, yeah, exactly. So do that. Then we're going to put another one on top. So it looks like this. On one side, put this. You can see that just like so. This goes on top of it. Then get yourself two of these kind of orangey colored rods. So it looks like that. And get this piece, and we're going to put this in the wider end in down. So it all looks like this. Then we're going to take what we built already with this one. We're going to stick what we just did right inside of it. Connect the two rods together, the orange. So you've got this. Hopefully that comes through clearly and you can see that. Next, I want you to take these half moon, half circles, right here, this one, and this one on the other side. Put those on the back. Next, we're going to take this and put it on top of this one. So you can see, let me see if I can hold it the other way or just sideways or something so you can tell what I did. We put these two together. Okay, so on one side, put one. I mean, this is going to obviously be some kind of an eye, but make sure you flip it so it's on the other side too. Back and forth. Then you're going to take and you're going to put this on top. Oops. Right there. Like so. And then you put it right on the front. And look at that. We've got ourselves a whole flamingo. Isn't that cute? Now we're going to take these hearts and we're going to be putting them on. I'll show you where in a moment. So like that on that side, and that on that side. So this one right here, and this one right here. All right, now this would not be complete without a birthday hat. So what we're gonna do first is put this little flower right on top of this green one. And then we're gonna put this right on top of the flamingo's head. That's so cute. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Next up, we're going to take these 2x2 squares and connect them together. These ones, and then put what we just did on top in the top middle. So you should end up with something that looks like this. Next, you're going to do, almost got it here to show you. These two. show you what I mean, where we're putting them here in a second. So it should look something like this. Much better. Oh, I apologize. I did that backwards. Flip that one and go like so. There we go, much better. So what these appear to be are feet. They're facing the same direction. Next, you're going to be adding this piece right here on the back end. One of these on top. This one right here. Then if you can see, we put these two on either side. So that one there, as well as that one there. All right, so this is a couple of pieces. So we got the two eyes. We have that little one for a nose. You can see this piece we have here. It's all connected to this one piece here, which we then put right on the front. Then take and put this on top. And then it cannot be complete. So first off, for then, we added some ears on top. And then it can't be complete because we don't have our birthday hat yet. So we put flower on top of this blue one. And put this right on top. And that gives us a little doggy. So now we have a dog and our flamingo. Now let's do the rest of this. Looks like we're going to take these two red pieces so they end up being like this. Take this white rod, so we have that, into this base. It looks like so. Oops, sorry. And we're going to stick that with them too. Oops. Looks like I got it a little bit too. There we go, perfect. Next, take a yellow brick there, this white one on top, put a little flower in it. Super duper cute. And looks like last of all, we're going to take this lavenderish colored one, put one that's white on it. put this here in it. And a little flame on top. It looks like we've got a birthday cake. Or a cupcake, if you will. And with that, minus all the little extra bits, we've got everything that we built. We got the whole set. So let me go ahead and just put these extra bits away. And then fold up our instruction manual. Let's set this up here. We've got our flamingo, got our dog, got our nice little, what I'm assuming is a balloon, a cake, and a present. Would you look at that? We've got the whole set. Slide this way a little bit more. Just for looks. Look at that. Looks wonderful. Great job, everybody. Looks awesome. Oh, what do you think? I had a great time building this. I mean, look at it. It's so cute. Everything about this is perfect. I cannot believe how adorable these sets are and how they can be just done in less than 100 bricks. It makes my heart sing. It's just so happy. I'm gonna go ahead and take these, go see what the producer thinks, and let's go find out. Let's see what she thinks about them. What do you think, Suki? What do you think of the set? What's your thoughts? How do we do? Anything you want to share about them? Did we do all right? Yeah, you think so? Okay, I guess that means we did good. Thank you. Well, like I said, I hope you enjoyed building this set together with me. Now, if it's your birthday month as well, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Until next time, make sure that you obviously subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that we do here. Let me know what questions you have, how you enjoyed the build. But until next time, be good. We'll see you then. Bless you. Take care.